Why are there not more people talking about Bluetooth issues in the Ridgeline? If your phone won't sync, don't worry. We've got simple steps to get you back on track. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, both in your Ridgeline and on your phone. Sometimes it's as simple as flipping that switch. Next, check if your phone is already paired. If it is but still not connecting, try deleting the pairing on both your phone and your Ridgeline. Then, restart both devices. Now try pairing them again. Still not working? Check if your phone's software needs an update. Outdated software can cause connection problems. Update, restart, and try again. Also, make sure you're not too far away from the car. Bluetooth only works within a short range, usually about 30 feet. If nothing else works, try resetting your Ridgeline's audio system. Look for the settings menu, find Bluetooth, and choose Delete All Devices. Then start fresh with pairing. And remember, some models only let you connect when the car is in park. So give that a try too. Follow these steps, and you'll be rocking your favorite tunes in no time. Bluetooth issues can be annoying, but with a few quick fixes, your Honda Ridgeline will be connected again.